So lahat po itong mga information na to, yung pera na binibigay sa kanya, lahat galing po yan dun sa investigation po namin sa Senado, Mr. Chairman.
Before I ask Councilor Abellera, but isn't it also a fact that the witness that you're referring to, Mark Taguba, also recanted the testimony that he gave? Hindi ba siya nag-recant?
Wala pong recantation na...
Walang recantation?
Opo.
So he's sticking to the allegations that he made of the involvement of some of the members of the presidential family in the previous administration?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, as represented by Mr. Small Abellera.
Okay. Mr. Chair, if I could just ask a few questions to Small Abellera, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr. Small Abellera, sir. Question lang, diretso na po ang tanong at saka I hope you give me a straight answer din, no? Kasi kanina nabanggit ni Senator Trillanes that you were acting as a bagman. Is that true or not?
It is not.
So you categorically deny that you are acting for and behalf of somebody else as a bagman. Tama po?
Mr. President, binanggit lang naman niya ako dahil close kami at that time ni Pulong Duterte. Totoo naman yun, inamin ko yun, alam niya sa Senate. Nagkaharap kami sa Senate niyan. Sinabi ko na yun, sinigot ko na yun siya niyan. Kaya nga hanggang ngayon, wala silang mano sa akin eh.
So you were saying that it's at that time, no? Close kayo at that time. Ngayon, hindi na kayo close.
Mr. President, it is a known fact in Davao na kalaban ako ni Congressman Pulong Duterte.
And would you care to explain bakit kalaban ka na ngayon na dati close kayo?
Actually, hindi ko rin alam, Mr. President, kung bakit eh. Pareho lang din yan, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako ginadamay ni former Senator Trillanes, in which hindi ko naman dininay sa kanya, sa Senate, na nagkita kami ni Mark Taguba. Pero ginasabi ko na wala akong involvement din dahil nahindihan siya, alam niya yan eh. Alam niya nung nagkita kami, na sinabi ko na nagkita kami nung Jack, a certain Jack, na hindi ko siya pakilala, nung pinakilala sa akin yan, alam nila na hinindihan ko na sila eh. Kaya hanggang ngayon, wala silang madikit sa akin.
So, pero ito yung allegations na close kayo and you're acting as the front of members of the former administration's family, di ba? And you're categorically denying it. And now you're also saying na ngayon hindi na kayo close kasi all of a sudden you just stop being friends, but you also don't know the reason why. Tama po ba?
Hindi ko alam, Mr. President. Kaya sinasabi ko nga ulitin ko man, even sa nung nag-aaral pa si Congressman Pulong at saka ako, nag-aabot kami sa school, magkaibigan na kami. Nagkataon lang siguro na pareho kaming politiko at siyempre, natural lang. Nung vice mayor ko siya, konsehal niya ako. Kaya, actually, Mr. President, kung pagbigyan niyo lang, lahat ng pictures na gina-present dyan ni ni Senator Trillanes, is mga affairs yun sa city. It's either fiesta sa city, Kadayawan, Araw ng Davao, natural lang yun, kaibigan kami.
So,
vice mayor ko siya, konsehal ako.
Ang sinasabi mo, you appear in those pictures because of your position as councilor and the position of Congressman Pulong Duterte as vice mayor at that time.
And as a former close friend.
And as a former close friend. Okay, I just tried to give you the chance to explain also because your name was mentioned kanina ni Senator Trillanes.
Thank you, Mr. President.
All right, so Senator Trillanes, of course, there's a categorical denial on the part of Small that he acted as such, for Congressman Pulong, di ba? And other than insinuations kasi or allegations from from Art Las Cañas, do you have anything that would show remotely man lang that he actually acted as such? Si Small Abellera?
Hindi po galing kay Mr. Las Cañas.
Kanino po
Mr. Chairman.
nanggaling, sir?
It was again born out of the Senate investigation.
Mr. Small Abellera, you testified earlier that you also know Mark Taguba, correct?
No, Mr. President.
You met him, sorry.
I met him when he went to Davao because he wanted to be introduced to former Vice Mayor Pulong Duterte.
Because you only wanted to be introduced.
Yes, to a certain Jack, Mr. President. He was with Jack, which I knew before Mark Taguba.
Not because you had any business with customs.
True friends at that time, Mr. President. It is a known fact also in Davao.
Just answer my question, Small, Mr. Chair. Ang tinatanong ko lang is, ang pagkakilala mo or when he was introduced, Mark Taguba was introduced to you, it's not because you had any business with the customs. Wala naman.
Wala, Mr.
It's not
President.
because you were importing anything through the customs. Wala
None,
naman.
Mr. President.
So there was no need for you to know Mr. Mark Taguba, who was then acting as a broker. Tama po ba?
At that time, Mr. President, hindi ko siya kilala broker. Hindi ko, wala, yung Jack, Mr. President, ang kasama niya, which yun ang nakilala ko before him.
So all the circumstances about you meeting with Mark Taguba had nothing to do with him being a broker with the customs. Wala.
None, Mr. President. I don't know him. I'm not involved dun sa mga pagtransaksyon sa, and that's why, kaya siguro ako naimbitahan dito dahil pati yung katabi niya, Mr. President, ginadamay ako.
Okay, so, wala tuloy ako. Anyway, ang purpose niya is magpapa-introduce sa Vice Mayor.
Yes,
So, hindi,
at that time.
hindi nasali sa usapan ang trabaho niya as broker, hindi nasali sa usapan ang capacity niya to import things.
He just want to be introduced to the Vice Mayor then.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Abelera. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mentioned earlier by the Senator, di ba? Na you were supposedly, you had a big role actually in suppressing the information from coming out, especially linking Michael Yang and other personalities po. What is your comment to that, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for giving me the opportunity. Hearing what Mr. Las Cañas and Mr. Trillanes narratives, seemingly they were lousy storytellers. Una-una, sir.
Mr. Chairman, I take exception dun sa sinasabi nito ni Mr. Villanueva kasi early on I was checked by the chairman for taunting pero
Okay.
I submit.
May we remind all the resource persons to refrain from
I'm
saying
sorry, Mr. Chair.
offending words. Thank you so
Sorry,
much,
Mr.
everybody.
Chair. Unang-una kasi, Mr. Chair, sabi ni yung mga previous statement ni Colonel Asierto, lumabas yung pangalan ni Michael Yang according to his informant noong 2016. Samantalang yung statement ni Las Cañas kanina nung pinapanood ko, seemingly agad alam niya si Michael Yang nung sa Dumoy. Dumoy pa lang, alam na niya na may Michael Yang. Now, Mr. Chair, for 3 months of our surveillance operation, isang team lang ang kay Colonel Asierto doon, lahat ng team sa PDEA 11. Walang anino si Las Cañas doon. And definitely, we have not involved anybody outside of HSOT, the team of Colonel Asierto and my team, because this was a delicate anti-operation. So definitely, paano malalaman ni Las Cañas na may Michael Yang, hindi nga niya alam na may anti-drug operation sa clandestine laboratory.
Oh, Trililing. Oh, Trillanes pala. Hindi ka naman pala umubra dyan kay Abellera. Gagawa-gawa ka na naman ng kwento kasi. O, kagaya niyan. May mangyayari pa ba dyan sa aligasyon? Noon pa yan. Noon pa yung mga banat mo, puro lang sabi nito, sabi ganon, narinig nito, narinig ayon sa investigasyon nyo. Wala naman kayong ipinakitang matibay na ebidensya. Kaya nga sabi ng iba na noon daw ay natanggihan ka ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa kagustuhan mo. Yung balita ko, yung gusto mong Vice President, totoo ba yon? Tapos, natanggihan ka? Kaya siguro galit na galit ka hanggang ngayon sa mga Duterte. Trililing, totoo ba yon? Bakit pa ulit-ulit pa rin yan dyan sa sa House of Representatives itong si Trillanes? Talagang sa kanya talagang ang sipag ng hearing nila dyan. Mag-e-election no? Mag-e-election kasi. Siyempre, lagi napapanood sa TV o sa social media at mapag-usapan. Pero, sa mga Caloocan dyan, balita ko, tumakbo dyan ng mayor ba? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, itong si Trillanes, iboboto nyo ba? Itong si Trillanes, ipagkatiwala nyo ba yung lugar nyo dito kay Trillanes? Paano matutukan yung lugar nyo? Busy siya palagi sa mga Duterte. Ako sa inyo, Subukan nyo na to. O, mas masarap pa to. Triple H Ashitaba. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.